Me and my brother watched a marathon for like 10 hours straight of Chris Angel. This one's steady. Sturdy is the word I was looking for. Sturdy.
You hear the duckies? I'll go see them. Ducky, 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 duck, duck, duck. Yeah, you make that noise.
That hurts like a bitch. Oh, come on!
The ducks hate us.
Bree.
Bop, 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 bop.
Oh my god, more ducks. They're coming from the mating calls. Guys, come here. Yes. Are you lesbian ducks? Come here.
Look at his head! It was like, what?
It was like this. I know what you want, lady. And I give you that shit.
I know what you want, lady.
Like shakes its tail feather.
Tail feather.
No photo.
No photo.
No. No photo. You know what I fucking...
Just now? Oh. When you were drunk and pissed?
When I went pee in the forest.
You fucking walked on that, you crazy bitch.
I know I'm crazy. It's because I'm magical.
Magically delicious. Kumbaya. You do have shoes there. Alright. Alright.
Y'all ready for this?
Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
I need shoes to slope on Jack. Honestly, I need shoes to slope.
Oh!
Did you jump on my dad last night?
Yes, I jumped on your dad.
Feel me?
Yeah.
He's pretty big.
And he does this when you honk the horn.
Yeah. And then we waited.
Do it. Honk!
Honk the horn.
Honk! This is you doing it.
Nope.
Why? You're too close for that.
Yeah.
I'm not too close for anything. I'll do anything. You honk once.
Honk! Honk, honk! Honk!
It's like my daughter, like daddy, like his father, like daughter.
Kinda.
I honestly just want to get it right in there.